Hi guys, welcome back to Cupcake Delight. I am once again sharing with you one of my favorite facials. I've been using turmeric for quite a long time, but this mixture is the bomb.com here. So if you want to see how I'm getting my face back together and lightening all these, nearly poked my eye out, and lightening my dark spots, continue to watch. What you'll be needing for this facial is powdered soya milk, turmeric powder, sulfur powder, and bergamot oil. I'm basically going by eye, I'm not using any strict measurements. However, the sulfur powder is less than the turmeric, and the bergamot oil is about 3 to 4 drops. And I'm mixing all of the dry ingredients, ensuring that the sulfur is well mixed in. And then of course I'm using water to combine. The milk, because of the texture of the milk, is what is going to have that nice creamy texture going for the facial. And of course I'm going to show you the consistency that I like. Yes, nice and pasty. Right, so I have my mixture here. I sat it down for just a little bit. So I may need to add some more drops of water. Because I'm using powdered milk, it's really easy to add little drops of water and the mixture will just continue to be awesome. There's some barking dogs in the background, so let's apply. Well, I would have washed my face with my soap, the usual soap that you guys see, not the black one. If you want to know how I like to make my liquid black soap, check the video in the cards. To the what direction? To the left? To the left, to the left. And also the last facial that I would have done is an oatmeal facial that helps to put hydration back in the skin. This one, besides it being able to be acne fighting, it's also going to help these dark marks. So yes, you can check both of those videos to the left or above. So let's talk a little bit about the benefits of the ingredients in today's facial. Number one, of course, is the turmeric in terms of the power that I'm looking for. We know that the turmeric face mask can help to reduce acne and any scars. So luxurious, you all. You even know. And it's anti-inflammatory qualities, which helps to calm the pores and clear it out as well. It's targeting the pores. So this would help with your texture irregularities that you have and help to fade the marks. Next up, we're going to talk about the soya milk. Now, I know a lot of people haven't seen soya milk facials, like people using that, but it is really, really good for your skin. So guys, I can't wait to start bringing facials and other wellness videos to you guys on a Sunday night. But I'm trying to get my bearings. You know, I started BlastedTech, which is my digital marketing business. So I'm trying to get things in order for that first before I start going live on Instagram on Sunday nights. Would you join me if I go live on Instagram on Sunday nights? Let me know in the comment section. I'm using soya milk because it helps with the signs of aging like discoloration and dark spots. Listen, that soya milk makes the ultimate paste. It's the natural, it's the Lasco soya milk. I recommend, and you could probably do different facials using the soya milk as the base because it's good for your skin as well. So I love self-love Sundays, right? It's the time when I share my self-care activities with you guys. But of course, self-care is not just about doing this once a week or on a specific day of the week. It's really about an entire lifestyle, how you treat yourself, how you treat others, how you transmit that love that you get from God to others. Yeah. And Jill Scott and Anthony Hamilton's song So In Love With You that I end every Self-Love Sundays with. It's really a song that you should be singing to yourself, right? You know, we always think of the romantic love when we hear these type of songs, but nothing is wrong with singing so in love with you, so in love with you to yourself in the mirror. Right now, right under the film, the camera, right now, right under the camera is a mirror, and that's why I'm looking that way. I have a mirror right below you guys. I just put everything on my face. So I take about 5 minutes to apply, and then I let it remain on my face for dry time, which means when the entire face is dry, then I take it off. Right? So that could be anywhere between 20 to 30 minutes. And if you're crazy and you know this works on your skin, then you might even want to keep it on for an hour. But you know, after a while, after it's actually dry, nothing else will be happening. Yeah, I always recommend, and I should start putting it into my description, that you must do a patch test. I recommend in your inner elbows, you do a patch test in the inner elbow to find out if any of the ingredients that you're going to be using in your natural skincare, if they're good with your skin or bad to your skin. You know, you don't want to have a rash all over. This is the third or fourth time I'm applying this for the week, because what I wanted to really do was the 5-day challenge, but my life is such that sometimes I might skip a day. Like yesterday was skipped, but I did it 2 days before. Yeah, I want to see if the dark marks on this side would disappear. Oh yeah, you may have a question as to the sulfur smell. Well, the bergamot oil that I put in it actually masks the sulfur smell, and I don't put as much sulfur as there is soya powder milk and turmeric. So here's one of my turmeric facials for you. I know you would have mentioned putting turmeric. This is what I have been doing with my turmeric of late. Besides the honey facial I told you about. Yeah. So yes, dry time is over, and I like putting the sulfur in because it helps to absorb the excess oil that contributes to acne and to clear away dead skin. All done. The bergamot oil helps to treat acne because it's antibacterial and anti-inflammatory. It's real good for you. Try this facial out. Yep. Na 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 na, so in love with you, so in love with you, so in love with you, so.